Breaking news on Ford. Phil LeBeau joins us now with the latest. What's happening, Phil?
Hey, Joe, take a look at shares of Ford. The company is shifting its EV strategy as it tries to be more nimble about producing lower-cost EVs. So the company making a number of changes that will play out over the next couple of years. Immediately, for investors to keep in mind, they are going to be taking a $400 million charge, also announcing that their EV costs will increase by $1.5 billion over a certain period of time. So that will play out over the next couple of years. Here are some of the specific moves in terms of Ford adjusting its EV strategy. It will be coming out with an all-electric commercial van with production starting in 2026. That will be the first vehicle coming out, or one of the first vehicles with its Skunk Works production facility, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. That is a mid-size electric pickup that will launch in 27. That's the first Skunk Works vehicle. An electric truck will be coming in the second half of 2027. And they are also announcing that they're going to be dropping their plans to build an all-electric three-row SUV. The market's just not there right now. They do believe that it's there for commercial vehicles, which is why they are accelerating production and plans in that department. Take a look at where Ford stands relative to their competitors in U.S. EV market share. In the first half, Ford was number 3. There you see Tesla at the top, which has a little over half the sales of EVs in the first half of this year. Then you see Hyundai, Kia. Ford at 7.4%. By the way, Ford's EV sales in the first half of this year up 71%. So they do see some success within electric vehicles. They're simply adjusting their plans. Part of that adjustment also calls for moving battery production from Poland to Holland, Michigan. So Ford making these changes as it lays out its strategy. Bottom line is this, guys. They realize they have to lower costs, and they are moving as quickly as possible in that regard. But in the near term, it's going to include a $400 million charge. Guys, we'll send it back to you.
Okay, Phil, thank you. That stock right now up by about 0.8%.